Not bad. Not bad. All right, let's see. All right, Johnny, what's the weather? Relax. And OKG with the top guys, if you're the ones. Well, you do relax, though, right? So that'll play is all yours, guys. All the newcomers, welcome. Crazy time, though. Mr. Elio is here, of course. All right, let's go. Ba-da-da-da-da. All right, let's see. Let's get some Gameplay over here, right? All right, let's see. All right, Johnny, what's the weather in Georgia right now? Is it any warm, any good? Anything cool going on there yet? Because here in Latvia, right, during the day, I mean, actually, a couple of days ago, it was plus 17. Now much colder? Not bad. Not bad. Wait a minute, 10x? You're not wrong. It's crazy time 10x, though. So, let's do it. Sweet. Hi. I don't know which camera do I have to look at, but here we are. 2 or 3 of them, I don't know. Alright, well, 10x though, guys. Wow. Let's go. Woo! I'm not gonna scream, guys, alright? My voice is dead. Hurts my throat. Alright. Whoa, there you go. Hulk champ. Alright. Here we go. Green, blue, yellow, everybody. Million X maximum multiply, most likely, or something, right? Something along the line. So pick up a good flapper, guys. Alright, pick up a good one. Don't pick up the bad ones. Alright, here we go. 1000x. 1000x, guys. Let's get... Almost broke something here, but it's alright. My bad. Alright, Epic Gamers, here we go. Well, no doubles, but we got ourselves, what is that, 200, 500...
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.